Wait, what if I told you the era of the AI chatbot is literally dead? Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are breaking down a massive 2026 update to Google NotebookLM that completely hands over the keys to a fully autonomous AI agent. It doesn't just answer your questions anymore, it literally does the entire job for you. Let's get into it.
Think about your normal workflow for a second. We used to spend hours, sometimes days, manually feeding AI our files, hunting down PDFs, and endlessly organizing data before we could even ask it a single productive question. But now, you can type a single sentence and let the AI do all the heavy lifting. Imagine just giving a one-sentence instruction to research a wildly complex topic and then just sitting back while your AI partner handles the rest. The stakes for your daily productivity have completely shifted here.
Okay, let's dive into this. NotebookLM was previously just a highly capable note-taking app. You uploaded your stuff and it answered questions based on that stuff. So Google decided to give it true autonomous powers. It now operates entirely on its own. Step 1, it actively searches the web for trusted sources. Step 2, it actually reads hundreds of pages of those sources. Step 3, it calculates the data it finds. And finally, Step 4, it creates finished, polished files. It's no longer just sitting there waiting for your every instruction.
The biggest bottleneck in AI? Well, honestly, it used to be you. The main conflict in the past was always that gathering phase. You had to go out, download all the reports, save the articles, and organize everything yourself before the AI was of any real use. But this update completely removes that limitation. So you're getting an autonomous partner that actually plans, analyzes, and gets things done on its own. This is exactly what we mean when we talk about agentic AI. It's the leap from an AI that just talks to an AI that delivers finished work.
And how exactly is it pulling this off? Well, take a look at the engine room. Every single NotebookLM now gets its own secure cloud computer. Traditional AI usually operates just by predicting and guessing the next most logical word in a sequence. But NotebookLM now has a dedicated cloud computer running behind the scenes. It's no longer just guessing text, it is executing real code in a secure, sandbox environment.
And this brilliantly illustrates what a dedicated cloud computer actually means for you. Imagine you upload a massive spreadsheet with, say, 100,000 rows of data. Previously, an AI would just look at it, estimate the patterns, and give you a rough summary. But with its own cloud computer, NotebookLM doesn't guess. It writes actual Python code to process all 100,000 rows, run the calculations, find the errors, and builds out the statistics itself.
So instead of just guessing patterns, NotebookLM is writing and executing real Python code. Traditional AI is notoriously prone to hallucinations, making up fake answers, because it relies on those educated guesses. But NotebookLM runs and verifies the exact math. So if you're solving advanced mathematics or comparing dense financial reports, it dramatically reduces hallucinations, because the answers are based on actual hard computation and verification.
To see this in action, imagine you need to prepare a presentation from scratch. You used to spend hours just hunting for trusted sources on Google. So now you literally just type a prompt, exactly like this. Build a notebook about renewable energy for beginners. And that's it. NotebookLM automatically goes out, searches the web, finds trustworthy sources, removes any duplicate information, and builds a complete research library for you. The research is completely done before you even begin working.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that the AI doesn't stop at research. Look at the sheer volume of professional files it creates instantly. Once that research is done, it doesn't just generate a block of text. Need a business report? It exports a professionally formatted PDF. Need a university assignment? It creates a Microsoft Word document. It will literally build complete PowerPoint presentations with slides, structured data tables, and comprehensive charts. It completely eliminates hours of manual formatting because the whole shebang is ready to download and present immediately.
But Google didn't stop at documents. They're making a massive visual leap with a new AI video generation feature. Let's be honest, reading a dense 100-page document is incredibly slow. But in our fast-paced world, we desperately need fast comprehension. So Google introduced video generation to turn text into visual learning. Instead of reading that massive document, NotebookLM can now transform your research into a cinematic video presentation you can simply sit back and watch.
So the crucial point is that this fundamentally changes how we consume information. The AI automatically creates visual diagrams, animated timelines, concept maps, and even short vertical mobile videos. Imagine uploading a semester's worth of dense lecture notes and having the AI automatically convert them into a highly engaging 1-minute vertical educational video. This feature alone could completely change the landscape of online education because students remember visuals far better than plain text.
And speaking of education, NotebookLM is becoming vastly smarter for studying. We used to study by just starting over every day, right? Reviewing everything from scratch. So NotebookLM now acts as a 24/7 private tutor. It synchronizes your flashcards across devices and actively targets your focus by automatically shifting to spending 75% of your time isolating your weak areas, while dedicating 25% to reviewing mastered content. It builds a personalized learning experience that constantly improves your attention over time.
Let's move to and see how this builds. Under the hood, all of these incredible upgrades are powered by Google's newest model, Gemini 3.5. This is the brain that makes the AI agent so incredibly capable. Because of Gemini 3.5, the system understands context better, reasons more accurately, writes cleaner code, and produces far higher quality research. You aren't just getting a faster AI, you are getting a significantly smarter AI, and that is a difference you will notice immediately.
This brings us to the ultimate shift we are witnessing today. Look at the old AI era compared to the new AI era. The future isn't just about us desperately learning how to ask better questions or write better prompts for a chatbot. It is about handing off major, complex responsibilities to a powerful AI workspace. NotebookLM organizes knowledge, researches, calculates, and creates almost entirely on its own. It is stepping up to take on the heavy lifting.
This is truly no longer just a note-taking app. It's becoming one of the most powerful AI workspaces ever created. Now, I want to hear directly from you. Which of these massive 2026 updates impressed you the most? Was it the autonomous agent that does all the research for you? Was it the dedicated compute power executing actual Python code? Or maybe that incredible AI video generation? Let me know down in the comments. I literally read every single one. As AI steps up to do the heavy lifting of thinking and creating, the real question is, what will you do with all the time it gives back to you? Thank you for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning and stay ahead with AI.